CCTV.
Menteri ke Sorkar Jala Bukhmi Ikatrat Puli Puthi Ulak Kemen Rembui Ulak Kyrpad yo Prof Umdor bo unshimti Biang ya kam kum upro Vice Chancellor jong ke North Eastern Hill University da ba prinpau ba ya shiti en okam jong u ke ba ul IT hakakat santrik no pra araja apsan ompat shim la pediang satya kani ke jing Kyrpad jong ba rembui kolong hadien bo le kendu eki kenhun ba per na skol ba ni hu dangshen ki ba kan thub ya ni husu ka KSU ni hu unit ke nehu NSA ba kan nehu ta.
The stalemate in Nahu continues till today. The government of Meghalaya have taken up with the central government, and many organizations from Nahu also they meet Honorable Chief Minister, and they meet me also to see that this impasse in Nahu should end at the earliest. So, but the ministry till date have not given anything. So as of now, the situation is remaining. And we know that the province of Shillong campus, by Umdor, he has tendered his resignation. But till date, it has not been accepted. And we came to know also that there is a constraint for the province of Tura to come here to Shillong. So if there is no province in Shillong, being the headquarters of Nahu, it will affect many things, be academic, be the wages or the thing of the contractual staff or mustaholder and other things. And once affect Shillong headquarters, it will affect to above 70 affiliated colleges all over the state. So in this scenario, I urge the Umdor, Dr. Sumar bin Umdor, since his resignation have not been accepted as a province, he should resume his duty so that the administration in Shillong campus should at least be going whatever it is. So this is the only thing which update which I want, as you said, to in this news. So what I hopeful that the central government, the Ministry of Education, will come out with the permanent solution.
Were you able to talk?
I have talked to all the stakeholders. And we are also in communication with the ministry. But as I said, that since the permanent solution have not been arrived, have not been there, so and since the incumbent province of Shillong, his resignation have not been accepted, so for the smooth functioning of the university, I request that he should resume his duties so that a normal transaction or normal administration of the Shillong campus also should run smoothly, of course, with the province of Tura. I make a request in the sense that not because of any issue. The issue is the welfare of the student, the welfare of the staff there. So that's why pending the final decision taken by the ministry, so it is better. And moreover, since his resignation have not been accepted, it is better for the incumbent province to resume his duty. Thank you.